Hi, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the back post half double crochet. This is one of the stitches I use in my ambleside toque. You can find the pattern in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. The back post half double crochet is the same as a regular half double crochet. The only difference is the placement of the hook. So instead of inserting your hook into your stitch, you're going to be inserting it around the post. So there's our post. If we're doing a back post stitch, you insert your hook from the back of your work to the front of your work and then around the post. You can see we're around the post here. For the back post, my hook is behind my work. My post stitch is behind my hook. So let's try that from the beginning. If you were starting a row, you would start with a chain 1. Since we're already in the middle of our row, we're just going to yarn over as we would any half double crochet, and then we're going to insert our hook from the back of our work to the front of our work and then around the post. You can see we're around the post, yarn over and pull through the post. You now have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the back post half double crochet. So let's try that again. Start as you would any half double crochet by yarning over and then inserting our hook from the back of our work to the front of our work and around the post. You can see we're around the post stitch. Yarn over and pull through the post. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the back post half double crochet. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel.